I'm Dr. Ford, and I wanted to talk about nutrient timing. This is part 2 of 3. If you are a high performance athlete, what you eat 30 minutes to 4 hours before an event, depending upon the intensity of the event, and then what you eat after within 30 minutes to up to 2 hours can affect hypertrophy in muscles. And so when you're looking at, okay, well, what should I eat as an athlete? I'm gonna wanna know the intensity of how hard you're working and the length of time and what your goals are. Is it power? Is it velocity? Is it endurance? Is it force? What's going on for you where you want to show up in a certain way? Because people will say, oh, well, what's the best thing to eat? And I'm like, well, for what? What's the best thing for what? And I just got asked her to say, well, what's the best thing to have before bed? Is it cheese or yogurt? And I'm like, well, what are you looking for? What is the best for you? Because sometimes it could be blood sugar management or weight management or digestion or sleep. Those are all very different things. And so you want to be as specific as possible when looking for health outcomes. I hope that helps.